Hi guys, welcome to IndiaBees. In this video, we are going to see about the multiple components in React. And please subscribe to our channel and click notify button to receive our updates. Let's go into the video. So now we are having a single component in our application. It's called as app.js. You can see the class name of app in the return function. Right? It's because the root component you can able to see the class name of app in the top of the HTML page. You can see the div id as root. So let's go deep into the concept. App.js, it's the root component for our application. Okay, it sits on the top of the tree and renders inside our HTML DOM. Okay, the other components which we are going to create as a navbar and home screen, that will be nested inside this app.js, which is an root component. Okay, so now we are going to implement the navbar.js and the dashboard page. So we are nesting inside the app.js root component. Okay, so now we need to put some more pages in the dashboard page. So what we need to do, we need to nest some more pages inside the dashboard page, not inside the root component. So this is how the structure of the tree works in React. So now we can implement the navbar in our application. Now we can make a div as you can take the details which we have already created and implement inside the content. So for creating a component, we need to create a JS file. Navbar.js. Okay, as I already said about the React simple snippet, so we are going to create a stateless function. So you have to type sfc for the stateless function. So you can see arrow function here. In the previous app.js, we have not implemented the arrow function. Right. As I already said, we can use arrow function. Arrow function is not a mandatory, but in future files, I'm going to use the arrow function only. Okay, let's make it as navbar. And we have to export our navbar here so that other files can use this component. So navbar inside this navbar we are going to make a heading. Make it as a navbar heading. Then we are going to create a navbar heading. So inside this we have to create a data. So we can put a slash here and make this as home page. We can make this as add and make this label as tag news. Okay, after saving this, you have to make the spacing so that other developers can easily understand your code. Save it. Once you have done this navbar, you have to import inside the root component. Okay. So you don't need to use the prefix.js because we are using the higher version of React. So now what you are going to do is you are going to import this navbar before the content. Okay. The reason you are using the navbar before content is it should be in the top of the root after the app.js. Okay. So after you're saving, you can go here. So now you can see the navbar is nested inside the root component. Okay, you can click the add news, but you have not implemented the add news, so it will be coming redirecting to the old page only. So let's create another component called home.js. Okay, inside the home.js, you can create another stateless function and make it as home. So after that, you can take this content sorry I put another div also. Okay, taking this body component and you can nest it here. While you return a stateless function, you have to nest inside a single div. Okay, that's why you are getting an error here. So once we do this, we will not get an error here. Okay, so some structure issue. Okay, take this title, URL, everything. Go to the home page and add before the return function. So another main thing is you have to import the home here. Home component from home component. Okay. So after that, so after compiling, you can see the content is aligned now. So this is the thing which is coming from the home component, and this is the thing which is coming from the navbar component. Okay, in the next video we are going to see how we can incorporate the CSS. Thank you all. Let's see in the next video.